What's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. Man, I'm back with another one. So today we're checking GBPJPY. So let's go straight into it, guys. But before we go, please, guys, subscribe, turn on the notification button, like the video, share the video. Let's go straight into it. So, GBP JPY has been moving very, very interesting. So let's just go straight into it to not waste time. So at this point, I was able to recognize this channel here. But as you can see here, we had the first touch, we had the second touch, and we had the third touch. So the market's supposed to push down. Now it seems like we're going for a retest, and then we come back here and complete the 100% rule. So it seems like we're gonna be selling GBPJPY for the longest time, right? So let's go a little bit closer here. We know, guys, when the market breaks a channel, right, then it's a confirmation that no, we are proceeding with that movement. Like this one, we're coming here very hard, and it went down very, very impulsively. So now we're coming back for a retest. So that we can take what? Another long sell movement to the downside. You understand? So now it's a matter of where is the market gonna reject. Do you understand? So in this case, the market can push up to this point to retest this trend line and then push down like this. You understand? So another thing the market can reject from this zone is not gonna just broke this zone. You can clearly see the market went up and then it come back here. So the market is meaning there's a support somewhere here. The market bounced back and went up, meaning there's this very, very strong support here. So we just identify this area like this. Understand? And you can see when the market came back, it rejected, rejected, and then it went up and then came back to retest this level. And then it shoot up and then when it broke out this level, meaning it's a strong area. It didn't break the, oh yeah, when the market broke in, you understand, it broke in, and then I was coming back to retest this level. So it might be turning here. So meaning now we have two, so from here to here. You understand? So now meaning we have two selling areas. First is this one. You're not gonna ignore this area and say no, no, no. You understand? You're not gonna ignore this area. This is a strong area, guys. It's a strong area. The market rejected here many times. Rejected, rejected, broke out, came back to retest this level, turned to a support, went up. You see this long movement, meaning they were so the bulls were powerful in this area. It went up, and then the market came back to this area, right? And then it broke in. So when a strong area, when the market breaks in a strong area, it must come back to it and apologize. It wasn't supposed to break in. You understand? It's a strong area. It must bounce. So in this case, the market violated the rules of this resistance or this support. The market was supposed to come in because it's a strong area, right? And bounce. But it violated the rules of the support. So it decided to what? It decided to break in like this. So it must come back and apologize. Because I'm sorry, man. I violated you. And then that is where we take advantage of the market and then we push down. So currently the market is apologizing, meaning it's retesting the strong area. Did you understand that, guys? So another one, it might also violate it again by pushing up, right? Pushing up to this trend line and then go down. The reason why is because, you know, the market will say, no, man, I was supposed to go there. Understand? You cannot hide me here. Also here, it's a strong area because also this trend line is a strong area also because it touched one time, two times, meaning the market was supposed, when it comes here, right, was supposed to push up. but also the trend line got violated. So the market has two zones where it must apologize. This first zone and this second zone. It must apologize on this resistance and apologize on the trend line. Do you understand? So it's either the market's going to reject here or reject there. So now that's where we come in as traders and see with our strategy that is it going to go to the trend line or is it going to reject here? So let's go deeper and deeper. Let's go to daily time frame and see what's happening on the daily time frame. We can clearly see we had this huge movement to the upside, and then the market rejected here. We can clearly see also rejected here, but we can see now it went so bullish. You understand? Which gives us the impression that no, the market might what? On Monday might break and go to this area. Do you understand? But then we're not just gonna conclude like that. You understand? Let's see. I'm not gonna conclude like that. As you can see, this area is a very, very strong area. The market keep on rejecting. So let's do something like this and move this one, and then let's get a little closer here. So we're just gonna identify this area. Come on, what's happening? Identify this area and also this lower low, which is this one. All right. So we can what's happening? So we can clearly see that the market, when it pushed up, it got rejected, went down, came back again, got rejected. So we expect the same thing to happen in this area. The market must reject and come down. Actually break, we test, and then we continue with the movement, like we said. But if the market decides to push up like this, there's no problem. The market must come back and retest, and then we're going to take our profit there. And then that's where we're going to go down with the movement and continue to sell the market. You understand, guys? So the thing with Forex trading, guys, is to know what's going to happen next. If the market doesn't do this, what the market's going to do. You understand? You must always have those things. If the market doesn't do this, you understand? Then the market's going to do this. If the market does this, then I'm going to do this. You must always know and not be caught by surprise. No, the market was supposed to go up. Who told you? You must say, okay, the market decided to do this, so now I'm going to do this. Do you understand? So because of this zones that we just identified, this is remember, this is our strong area here. Do you understand? Got rejected. And then we expect the market to what? To get rejected also here. Must reject. If I say that in the right way, guys. But if the market decides, you know what, I'm not gonna listen to you guys. I'm not gonna listen to this support. I'm gonna break up. Then just know that the market must come back to apologize to the support or to the resistance for violating the rules of the resistance, because the rules of a resistance is that the market, when it approaches a resistance, must go down. But if the market decides, you know what, I'm not going to do what you're telling me, it must come back and apologize and say, sorry for violating you. That's where we get the opportunity to take a trade, and then it's going to push up to this point. Do you understand? This is what we will be expecting if the market actually breaks. But if the market, but the first thing, because we know a rule of resistance, we all what we're gonna sell the market. So let's go to H24 hour. You understand? In one mind, we're selling the market. Don't because you because you don't have evidence that the market is gonna push up like this. You don't control the market, and it hasn't gave us anything. Understand? So in this area, we're just gonna identify this zone also. This one's a strong area. You see the market touched and up touched again with up. So it's a double bottom. It's a W pattern, as you can see. So we're going to identify that area also. Like this. And then what we're going to be waiting for here is for a rejection. We're going to be waiting for a bearish candlestick. You cannot just sell the market like this here. You cannot. You cannot. Let's wait for a bearish candlestick, but we're gonna wait for it on 1 hour time frame. Okay. You see at this point, because we have this bearish candlestick right here, we're not gonna take it. Why am I saying we're not gonna take it here? Because still this candlestick looks so bullish, so powerful. Do you understand? It's not safe to take the trade here because it shows also the market is the bulls are still in charge with this one. So what we might be waiting for here is for another candlestick. So let's go to 30 minutes actually and actually see. We put 30 minutes, something I want to see. Exactly. So what we're gonna be waiting for, or something that I see here. I see the market approaching this area with a reversal also. All right, so I must identify this area. Actually, it's coming like this, sorry. I'm going like this. What am I doing? I see this level here, which I think, yeah, which I think if I go to 15 minutes, we can clearly see it. All right. So on 15 minutes, the market shows us that already you can, oh, sorry, already you can see where the first touch, second touch, then third touch, and then the market, he already made what seems like an empty. So how are we going to take this trade, guys? What I advise you, Mine, right? I like to take, for me, you understand, I don't know about you, I like to take trades on 30 minutes and 1 hour because 1 hour and 30 minutes, they are better for me. So what I'm gonna advise you, because you know the market approach is there with the reversal, is remove it, which indicates that no, we're gonna pulling down. I'm gonna advise you to wait for another candlestick, like a bearish candlestick, just maybe somewhere here, just another bearish candlestick, right? And then you can take it. But if you're bold, you can take it here. Just put your stop loss just above. Yeah. And then your target, STP, gonna be and remember GBPJPY pays, guys. Really, really pays. So it's gonna be something like this. If you're bold, I mean, I'm gonna sell immediately when the market opens. I'm gonna take a trade because I'm bold. So I'm just trying to, for those who are scared, just wait for a bearish candlestick, one more bearish candlestick, and then you can take your trade somewhere here. You understand? And then just make sure stop loss above the higher high. Do you understand that? Yeah. But for me, I have confirmed because I have this reversal here and the step touch that happened here. You can check here. 1, 2, 3. Then the market confirms that it's going down. So immediately when the market opens on Monday, I'm buying it. I'm selling it. You understand? Something like this. Immediately when it opens, I'm taking the trade. If it kicks me out, it's fine. I know I'm gonna recover. If the market decides not to follow this, right? Decide to push like this, it's fine. We have our stop loss. That is why stop losses are for, guys. It's fine. We're gonna take, wait for what? We'll test. Then you buy it. We recover the money of the stop loss. Then we make more and more. That's how it is. You lose to make a lot of money, and then you have a long movement. Do you understand? Something like this. So either way, we wanna win. Either way, we wanna win. If the market decides not to respect this level and break like this, we're gonna wait for a retest and buy it. Either way, we wanna win. That is why we actually use stop losses. So when you enter this market here, firstly, don't risk. Don't risk too much. Just put maybe one position wait for the market to go down and then give you a pullback. That's where you can risk, because now it's confirmed that it's going down. So, but initially, guys, on GBP, JPY, we are going down the way we have analyzed it. So this is it. STP. So thank you guys for watching and choosing my channel. Thank you so much. Your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. God bless you so much. Amen.